four-wheeler didn't work. It went sideways. So there you go, guys. So now I'm just going to drive the tractor. Ayan, guys. Yes, guys. Slick. It's not gonna work. Guys, here's my niece. Okay, trying to come up here. She's sliding, guys. She's sliding. Okay, I don't think she can make it. No, stay positive. Okay, yeah, there you go. Come up here. Go, 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 baby. Go, go, go. So this is our driveway. Very slick, very dangerous driveway. This is what happens when you live in the mountain. Oh, 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 whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. This is scary. Kailangan dito ka sa kabila. This is gonna go down all the way. There's nothing. Guys, she's gonna slide down. We can just leave. Waiting game. So this is okay. Just go in that area. Just stay there. Hi guys, we are here trying to fix our driveway. It's very slick, very dangerous out there. So we try to call sanding our driveway because it's like a big ice skating rink in our driveway. Very dangerous right now for everyone else to come in our property. So this is what happened if you live here out in the boonies. It's just so hard, guys, very hard. As you can see, you'll see my niece going through the... Here you go, here she is. See you later, guys. Talk to you later. Still trying to come up here. So the only transportation we can have is this four-wheeler, and we must have it here. Iwan mo na lang dyan? You wanna leave it there? Come up here. And then diretso ka kaya dito. Yan, push mo. Ayaw. I just wanna cry, guys. Oh, namatay na? Lagay mo na lang. You can put it on the side. We'll just get it later after the sanders. Just put it on the side and we'll try this truck. Diyan na lang side. Back up mo, slow. Line up mo doon sa dulo. Line it up. Okay, tama na yan kaya. Have to give up. Go, go, come up here, baby. Oh, yeah, oh, you're zigzagging. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Nice, good job. Oh, wait. Good job. Okay. Do you want to do the sanding? Hi guys. So we are too far. Unfortunately, they don't want to. Sanders doesn't want to come up here in our area. So me and my niece doesn't have any choice, but I have to drive this tractor. And we're doing this. My husband is out of town. He's in Gumbel right now, Gumbel, Alaska. So I have to drive this tractor to sand our driveway so it can be drivable. And so we called the Sanders and we cannot find anybody to come up here. And of course, too far, they don't want to come up here. So, all right, we're just moving on and go from there. So here's the tractor. I'm going to drive that tractor, guys. So, enjoy. sanding and finally sand our driveway. So see you later, guys. I'm going to sand and help my niece start. Okay, guys, this